Welcome to London Smash Brothers. I am London, son of Silly Evergreen. And today I'm going to show you from Angry Birds how to make your own birds and pigs. First, you'll need 2 old boxes. Next, some tape. In case if it breaks, you're gonna have to use some tape, or for the people who just use tape for the boxes. And a big marker, and this. And if you're wondering what these balloons are for, it's for the Angry Birds slingshots. So let's get started. This is a little trick. You first put like this here, and this here, and this here, and this here. Then simply remove that and put it here. Same thing for the pig box. But I'm just gonna do it for the people, this way. Yeah. This is a big piece of tape. Whatever you do, you might want to find one of these on the internet or something. Next, put beside the tape and grab your giant marker. We're going to start with the birds. First, draw a beak. Next, draw big, angry eyebrows. Because if you're wondering what bird this is, it's the main bird, red. What? He's the leader of all the birds. I have to respect that.
Show them how you did it and explain it.
And next, you put some on the top like this. Last, you make a tail. Like grab the marker and put it on the back. It doesn't matter which marker you're using, but whatever it is, you might want to use a Sharpie. If your parents don't let you use these big ones, just find a small black one. And if you want to paint it, you can paint it if you want. And there you have it. Red, the leader of the Angry Birds. Next we're going to the pigs, just like this pig box I made. First, draw a big circle, like a big oval actually, like this. Next, draw 2 big holes inside the pig.
Okay, show them before you move on. Show them. Show them what it looks like. Move this box. Wait.
Oh, sorry. Here.
Yeah. Now show them.
This is the nose for the pig. Next we move on to the eyes. And then put a crown. It's also the king pig. A leader and a king are kind of like the same thing, but a leader's different, like a boss. And a king's like a person who has a kingdom. And here's the little crown for king pig. And then add 2 big ears. I just have one big question. In Angry Birds 2, you know how Leonard's a part of the flock? Do you still battle King Pig, or do you move on to Zeta? Who knows? Well, I don't, because I only unlocked Howard like an extra bird key. But next we move on to the final part of the pig, the tail. Just give me a second. And there you have it, King Pig. I'm not.
What they do with these boxes?
I have more of these boxes to show you on my next video. The next video I'm going to show you how to make the slingshot, but before we do that, I'm going to show you a little ingredient for like it. So move these two aside and grab the green balloons. If you have any of these long ones. Sorry, that was my brother. Sorry about that, everybody. Grab a few green balloons, like a lot. And then, let me just move these. Let me just put these, a few under here, and then we'll just like do this. Grab a lot of these and attach them to one another. I'm gonna have to make this long, so I'm hoping somebody could fast forward this. But I guess this camera can't, so yeah. Oh, Philly. Sorry about that, everybody.
Okay, I think that's enough.
But the slingshots, never mind. Well, I'll just do a few more. That's what I'm saying. Besides, I only got like a few strings left. Like, I only got 3 more. And I just got 2 more to go, guys. Is it still on fast forward?
Yep.
Last string, you can unfast forward it. Mom, you can unfast forward it.
Okay.
Because I'm done.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait, I can't do it on fast forward.
Okay, no, it's regular now.
Oh, okay. Next, you have to like grab your slingshot I'll just give me a sec. Just give me a second. There. And there. And then tie it a little on the string, and then attach it to this side, and then get the other piece and attach it to the, and then get the other piece and attach it to the other side. Like right and then tie the balloon, and voila, the sling part for the slingshot. I'll bring an Angry Birds plush next time. And besides, I really am a fan of Angry Birds. Even as a little boy, I was. So, make sure to hit a like and subscribe to Silly Heather. And if you want to come to sillyfarm.com and go on sillyfarm.com and Faba TV. Silly Farm Supplies. This is Legend Green signing off.